My name's Jill Hermes. We're here at Carroll Community College, and we're here to talk about our Power Brew. Our Power Brew is coming up next Tuesday, the 19th, and that's 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. We invite you to be our guest and to chime in for that. We've got an exciting topic coming up. I'm sure that you have heard about drones, and we have a resident expert who's going to speak to you about drone technology. So if you have not been a Power Brew participant before, let me just tell you a little bit about the program. It is a monthly complimentary webinar that Advantage C offers to the business community. We explore different business topics, things from recruiting and retention to leadership to mindfulness to obviously technology like drones. Advantage C is a service of Carroll Community College, and we deal with the business community in providing business solutions regarding training, staff development, strategic planning, a variety of issues. And we just invite you to reach out. I love going out in the Carroll community, learning about the different businesses, and look forward to speaking with you if I haven't got to meet you in person yet. So at this time, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Chet Andes. He is the coordinator for information technology and workforce development here at the college. We're very proud that Chet works here. He's dedicated his career to education, both in and out of the classroom. He's very energetic, I can tell you. He's an outdoorsman. He has lots of interests, and drone technology is one of them. He makes it a point to stay current and on trend with this. And if you're on LinkedIn, chances are you've seen some of the articles he has posted. So I encourage you to take a look at that. So without any further rambling from me, it is my pleasure to introduce Chet Andes to you. Come on over, Chet. Sit in the hot seat.
Well, thank you, Jill, for that introduction. Of course, the Power Brew next week is all about drones. So I brought a couple of our toys just to showcase what we'll be talking about. These are the little guys we use in our first flight school. And then we have a newly expanded program that'll be part of the Power Brew coming up in the fall, where we'll be able to fly drones like this and talk about how we can incorporate these drones into your business. The focus on the Power Brew is going to be taking your business to new heights with drones. So we're going to touch on a couple of different aspects. We're going to talk about marketing. How can you use these pieces of technology to enhance your current marketing plan and bring new potential customers into your business? We'll also look at different applications to the drones. The drone application is across a wide spectrum of industry sectors, everything from construction, inspection, agriculture, to just general marketing. So we're going to touch on a couple of those and see some examples on how these aircrafts are used to capture video, capture photos, and more importantly, how to capture data to help you make better business-driven decisions. So we're really excited to bring this technology to Carroll County. It's already being used across a number of sectors in the county and across the region. I'm supported by a really good advisory group that really helps to shape and mold the future of this program. And then, of course, we'll also talk about how you can come to Carroll and how we can engage you or your potential employees and get some training so that you can implement this into your current business practices. So we're really excited to bring this to the Power Brew, and also to bring this technology to Carroll Community College. So hopefully you tune in next Tuesday. It'll be a really engaging conversation. Love to answer some of your questions as well. So we'll see you on Tuesday.
Thanks, Chet.
All right, take care.